So for my diesel fans out there that comment, DM, everything all the time asking, where's the truck, where's the Ram, where's the Cummins build? I have news for you. It's been about 3 months since the Ram has made an appearance on the channel, and I can't hold it in anymore. I've had this truck for a couple of weeks actually, and I wanted to save it for when we hit 10,000 subscribers. So this video is filmed in advance, so we're either really close or we're just past 10,000 subscribers now. So thank you guys for being the awesome fans you were, getting us to 10,000 subscribers in about 14 months, which is, I'm happy with that. But on to the announcement and why everybody's here. I'm sure you don't want to know about that. You want to know what the new truck is, and here it is.
Step one, Lewis hit me with the fucking bass. Thought I'd tell my thoughts about how I'm feeling out of place. Certain days I'm feeling like my life's slipping away. Other days I remember I'm gonna make a change. With that, I'm only popping these tic tacs. I don't want part of your piss smash. Really not the type to kiss ass. You rather deny outside perspective than to ask a fucking question. Lesson learned to always earn the things I get to call my blessings, yeah. And now I'm feeling like I gotta make it home. I'm about to make a couple million, that's the goal. But I'ma give some back to where it needs to go. I think it's time I take it over, take control. Yeah, I'm feeling like I gotta make it home. I'm about to make a couple million, that's the goal. But I'ma give some back to where it needs to go. I think it's time I take it over, take control. Made it my goal to be rich, thinking that giving it back in a fix. All the stupid shit I ever did, one day sitting back and reminisce. 2018 when I called my shot, ain't a single motherfucker about to take my spot when I'm honest. Right how I got it, sometimes. That's
right, I did it. I got a Ram 1500, but it's an EcoDiesel. What that is, it's a 3-liter turbo diesel. It's made in-house by Ram. It's not a Cummins. It is a company acquired by FCA a couple years ago. This is kind of the new version of the truck that Ram got in hot water over allegedly doing the emissions altering devices on. Now those years were 2014, 15, and 16. This truck's brand new, less than 200 miles on it, and I've been driving it around for a while. So this truck has nothing to do with those recalls and those emissions problems. That's why I finally took the plunge and got the Ram 1500 EcoDiesel. Now a lot of you may be confused by this. Obviously I've always touted being a huge Cummins fan. I wasn't a huge fan of the Titan, which is based on like a 5/8 ton chassis with a diesel engine in it. But when I drove this, I drove the Ford as well, and this just made a lot more sense. That's going to be over in a different video. Today we're just going to kind of reveal the truck, do a couple small things with it, and the first mods are coming today in this video as well. So Diesel Squad, get your thumbs up. Quickly, I'll tell you, in this one I did go with the Laramie spec. You guys always roasted me about having the work spec, even though it was a big horn with upgrades. This one is the Laramie. So I got leather, heated and air-cooled seats, all the options pretty much. I think there's only like one spec above this, which just puts a ton of wood grain on the dash, which I don't really want anyway. But I'm excited. This is gonna be a big build. I've already got suspension plans. I've already got control arm plans. I've already got wheels, tires, oil cooler, maybe a compound turbo. If you guys like this build enough, we'll do a compound turbo for sure. Maybe we'll do that at like 15,000 subscribers or something. But a new diesel build is here. You guys loved the Ram 3500 build, so I felt that there's only one thing I could do and bring you guys a new diesel build. Now, one of the big reasons I chose the Ram 5500 EcoDiesel is there's almost nobody doing this on YouTube. I searched YouTube for EcoDiesel builds, and there was like one that those guys at Diesel Sellers were giving away a while back. So I figured, hey, let's pioneer it. Let's do things differently. And J Flat Out Squad, if you like it, I like it, hit a thumbs up, subscribe to the playlist for a bunch of videos on this new diesel build.
First thing is to get rid of this fishing pole that they call an antenna. You know, while we're at it, let's get rid of this plastic crap as well. Better anodized aluminum. Nice. So my beautiful family, thank you for joining me on another diesel build journey. This one is going to be bigger, better, everything about it is going to be just top quality, top notch. You guys know how I built the original, where is it? The original Ram, and this one's gonna be just as good, if not better. I have tires. I just bought tires. I just bought rims, and I just pretty much ordered a leveling kit. I haven't paid for it yet because I'm gonna pay for it on the day that I get it put in. But these are all the plans. If you're wondering why I just muted out what I said, it's because you need to be subscribed to come on this journey with me. You need to subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss this build. The EcoDiesel is a smaller market. It's kind of more of a niche market than the Cummins because it's still pretty new out, but I've researched them a lot on YouTube. I noticed that there's quite a lot of interest in them, but not a lot of people building one right now. So like I said, jump on the bandwagon, join the club, subscribe, notifications on. Let me know what you think of the EcoDiesel in the comments below. Let me know any suggestions you might have, and let's do it together. Thanks guys for watching. We'll see you next video.
Ryan Little.
Yoga.